Inviting people to use the HelloTalk app and earn free VIP, unlock free VIP access on HelloTalk, learn languages, and connect with native speakers. Hey, language learners! Are you tired of using boring language learning apps? Want to connect with native speakers and improve your skills? Look no further. What is HelloTalk? HelloTalk is a premium language learning app that connects you with native speakers from around the world. With HelloTalk, you can practice your language skills, get feedback, and learn how to get free VIP access. Here's the best part. When you invite friends to join HelloTalk using your unique referral link, you'll both receive free VIP access. That's right, you'll unlock premium benefits of VIP access. Ad-free browsing. Exclusive language learning content, priority customer support, enhanced profile visibility, access to premium features. How to invite friends. 1. Open HelloTalk and go to the Me tab. 2. Tap Invite Friends and share your unique referral link. 3. Ask your friends to download HelloTalk and join using your link. 4. Once they join, you'll both receive free VIP access. Conclusion. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to upgrade your language learning journey. Invite your friends to HelloTalk today and unlock free VIP access. Happy learning. Call to action. Download HelloTalk now and start connecting with native speakers.